This 5-minute solution will show you how to see story archive in Facebook. Follow these quick solutions to see your story archive. Open your Facebook app. Open your profile. Tap on this three dot icon next to edit profile. Tap on archive. Tap on story archive. And here you will find your archive stories. And if your story archive option is disabled, you won't get your story archive. So first of all, you have to enable this. To do that, tap on this gear icon at the top right and enable save to archive. And after that, whenever you add a story on your Facebook, the story will be saved in story archive. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.